So in this session I'm going to explain a function named mode in Excel. Alright, so mode. So this mode function, it is used to find the remainder. When you remainder, it is the mode function is used to find the remainder while doing the division operation. Alright, so normally we do divide the numbers. Alright, and we may get the remainder, right? That might be 0 or any number, numerical value. So that remainder, so this mode function is used to find the remainder of a remainder. It is used to find the remainder when you do the divide function. Right? So for this, MOD is a function name, so I'm going to make use of it. So key in equal, all right, and then MOD, you can find the function that's been listed out, and then MOD, and then key in open parenthesis, and you can see what you need to insert, the number that you would like to divide. All right, that we call it as a number, and then the divisor. So by which number you want to divide that the number. All right, by which numerical value you want to divide the number. So that is divisor, that we call it as a divisor. So we need to key in number and divisor. So here I give number is 12. All right, or I give number is 9. All right, and then I'm going to divide by the divisor 2. All right, so I key in the close parenthesis. All right, so when I hit the enter key, I'm going to hit the enter key. When I hit the enter key, it has to show the it will show the remainder. All right, see, it has shown the remainder 1. That's the result. All right, so 2 into 4, 8. So remainder 9 minus 8, 1 is the remainder. All right, so we in this session we got to know mode function is used to get the remainder when we do the division operation. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.